Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for your kind support as always. So for today's vlog, I'm going to grill a salmon. So first, we need our salmon, which is here. And then we need this and a foil. But before that, we need to on the oven. Maximum 300 degrees. I'm going to prepare them now.
A few inches later.
Here is my salmon. It's just 2 pieces, but they are big slices. So I'm going to grill them in a simple steps. Instead of salt, I'm going to use Vegeta, this one. So I'm just going to rub it on top. It's too oily. And after that, let's not forget our rosemary. Flip it. And lastly, our lemon. This is our salmon. Let's put it in the oven now. Let's grill it for 20 minutes or until it's cooked. See if it's cooked already. Yummy. It's cooked already. Just let it simmer more in a low fire. eat. Guys, it's very warm, so I let it like that. I'm not going to eat this. It's just for a good smell. So guys, I'm going to make a salad as well. This is the salad. And I already wash it. And then I just put this one. Let's take the fish. So it's already cooked. Bango, bango, bango. Good smell. So guys, I'm done with my cooking. It's my dinner for today. So it's fast and easy. I hope you like it, and I hope mabusog din kayo. So thank you so much once again for your kind support. God bless us everyone. See you again on my next vlog.